I got you a special treat today. This is an '08 Dodge Charger Hemi, automatic transmission. She got the blacked out windows, the blacked out taillights, the blacked out rims, the blacked out everything else. Come on in, we'll put you on the road today. This one's better than the last one. That went up over there where they only burned the interior. This one they got the engine compartment too. This one's a Hemi. Throttle body. Metal intake. There's the fuse box. See all the way into the fan. Too bright out for you guys to see it. The flat screen came out of the stereo. Really cheap stereo. This one they still got in, what is that? Manual? Airbags didn't deploy. Engine was off when it was burning. That burned hot. This is where I threw all the melted plastic, so you can't really see down there. Here's the seats. That window didn't break. That one broke. Looking like it started in the driver's seat. They soaked the driver's seat in gasoline and lit her off. This door was left open. That's why it burned so hot. This here, I had to pop this out, unplug the battery, because it was sparking against my bed. She got a donut on her. Melted a hole all the way inside the center console. Some tools, air freshener, mirror. looks like some water bottles or sports drink bottles. Not too much left of this one. Everything in the back's pretty much still good though.